This is the story of how I transformed my finances by adopting simple yet effective rules that changed everything for me. Every morning began with a mindset shift, focusing not just on the numbers, but on my overall financial wellness and setting achievable goals. I started tracking my spending meticulously and comparing prices, which allowed me to make informed choices and save more money. Shopping became an adventure. I embraced meal planning and only bought what I needed, ensuring I stayed within my budget each week. I dedicated time to educate myself about finances through books and journals, reflecting on my achievements and staying motivated along the way. Connecting with friends who were also on financial journeys helped me stay accountable and learn new strategies to save even more. Incorporating fitness into my routine not only improved my health, but also reduced expenses on medical bills, reinforcing my commitment to better finances. As I gained confidence, I began to explore investments, crafting a strategy that aligned with my long-term financial goals and aspirations.